Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. Move the printhead carriage to the center, then turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Remove the dampers and place them inside the bag. Remove the 3 screws to take off the transparent protective cover. Disconnect the cables on each side of the printhead. Replace the printhead with a new one. Reconnect the cables on both sides. Make sure the printhead is properly seated. Reinstall the transparent protective cover. Place all the dampers back in the correct order.